Hello, welcome to Illustrator, with Bronze Graphics. Window to control. Window, toolbars, to advance. Go to Type tool. Drag and hold Alt button for copy. Drag and hold Alt button for copy. Drag and hold Alt button for copy. Window to align, shortcut is Shift plus F7. Choose a font. View rulers to show rulers. Right-click, create outline, shortcut is Shift plus Control plus O. Right-click to ungroup. Select both. Change fill color. Control plus G for make it group. Drag and hold Alt button for copy. Right click to ungroup. Select by holding Shift. Control plus G for make it group. Change fill color. Subscribe and press the bell icon to get upcoming video notification. Make sure you leave a comment if you have any questions. Follow me on social media. I upload interesting design using Photoshop, Illustrator. Love you all.